Howdy y'all. In today's video we're going to be working on building an LP gas grill for the house here for the summer, or spring actually. So, you guys can watch me struggle on it for your entertainment and your good laughs. It's a cheap grill from, I think, China, Temu, whatever you want to call it. Chinesian parts. Just arrived yesterday, so it's crispy, straight from China. There's the tool cart from all the videos. Alright, first thing we're going to do is organize our parts out by number, so we can find them again quickly, hopefully. All kinds of stuff, man. There's the back for the stand, for a fact that's what it is. Oh yeah. 7 and 2. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And here is the Chinese grill. Hell yeah, dude. This is gonna be a fun one, I already know. I can see the cheap China parts everywhere in this thing. Damned Pooh Bear grill. Let's go. Oh, bro, who the packed this? I'm gonna pause the video so I can pull this thing out. I need both hands. Alright, see y'all in a second. It's actually packed surprisingly well for how cheap this thing was. Look at that. Wood reinforced crate, heavy cardboard. Not bad. Alright, y'all, sorry for the pause. I had to get all these parts out of the box. So here's everything laid out. I'm looking like a whole chore. I feel like Pooh Bears watched us build this. I think the children over there built this to send to us. I feel like me and watch a Pooh Bear right now. Alright. Let's read our important instructions. See what the hell's in here. Alright. Oh wow. Do not store gas near it. Oh guys, don't do that. Alright. Yeah. It's showing all kinds of stuff, dude. Very important. Okay. First, we gotta put these parts on here. Alright, no problem. I'll see you guys when the parts are all together. Alright. Those are together now. Next step is putting these two panels on. Seems simple enough, I guess. So I'll see y'all when it's attached. Alright, cool. We got the legs assembled. Let's see what's next on this ordeal of building. Oh, hell yeah. Putting on a giant plate. Okay. Simple enough. Let's get to it. So I'll see you guys when the plate's on and this giant front panel's on. Alright, see you. Alright, y'all, we got that part on there now. But I skipped the step of these wheels on because without the wheels on it, it makes the whole thing uneven, which damages the framing. So to save this cheap grill's GG ping metal, you gotta be very, very careful. So make sure it's evened up. So I put the wheels on early. That might bite me in the ass later, but it's fine for now. I'd rather not damage the frame, because this grill's not the most high quality metal of all time. But that's fine. Alright, so the next step's gonna be installifying a front guard plate. Okay. It's gonna go across this little spot here. Seems easy enough. Alright, see y'all after this pause while I install that part. Alright, the front bar is installed. Looking cool as hell, I guess. Cool, cool, cool. What's the next ordeal on this thing? Okay, piece number 21. Alright. I'll find that and install it. See y'all when it's installed. Alright, y'all, things installed. More of GD Ping's fun. Our safety label, upside down as hell. And that's how it came from the factory. Gotta love it. Pooh Bear after the woozles again. Now we're gonna install this grating to the bottom. Should be simple enough. See y'all when it's installed. There we go. Hell yeah, dude. Put a rack on the thing. Nice. What's next? Let's see. Okay, so wheels already done. We're gonna install little wheel clips, which I'll put on next. Okay, easy enough. Then I gotta build the brackets on the grill. Alright, so I'll see y'all when the brackets are on the grill. Alright, we got a bracket installed on the grill. Nice. So now we got to put this grill in this rack. So I'll see y'all when it's on there. Alright, y'all, we got the grill mounted up on the stand. I gotta love that. Next, we're gonna be doing some shelf add-ons. Alright, that's nice, I guess. Simple and easy. The more I do this, the more I feel like I need to have some labor force here that has no rights. It's amazing. Because that'd help a lot in here. Alright, see y'all when the shelves are on. Alright, y'all, we got the shelves on. Now we gotta put on all the little trim and doodads. So yeah, we gotta see you guys when that trim and doodads are all on. Alright, y'all, we got it finished up. Looks pretty good. I can feel Gigi Ping smiling. Built this thing so well. Look at that. Fancy. Alright, y'all. See y'all next week. Keep throwing fists. Keep using your minds. Keep throwing wrenches. Keep having fun. See y'all next time.